Alright, so bago tayo mag-start, it's not the dance bar, huh? No! So dito,
We're
kids,
going.
kailangan natin mag-dance para ma-boost yung energy natin. So madali lang yung dance natin, kids. Yung dance natin yung tinatawag na, ano yun, activation? Arm up dance. So yung first step is, wash your hands like this. Second step, touch your tummy like this, kids. Very good. And then the last step is wiggle, wiggle like this. One. Very good. Okay,
You
so
want
kids,
water?
that's dapat full of energy and then nakasmile kapag naglalabas. So, ganyan lang kids, ha? March! March! Very good. Wash your head. Wash your shoulder.
Go, sali ka, dali. Dance ikaw, dali. Sali ikaw dun, dance, dali.
Shake your hands, shake your feet.
March!
One more time.
Wash your head. Wash your shoulders. Very good. Touch your tummy.
Touch your body.
Wait ka na, dance na ikaw, dance. Dance ikaw, dance. Walang ano yung atim.
Okay, kids. Sit down po muna tayo, kids. So, ngayon gawin natin magbabalong twisting lang tayo. Kumulit ko yung dito nyo, gagamitin ko.
Ay, kulang pa ito.
Alright, kids. Sa balong twist, sa balong natin, ano yung kabiyok dito? Ano yung tingin nyo? Ano to, kids? Sword. Yan, very good. So, kaya nyo ba gumawa ng sword? Yeah. So, tuturuan namin nyo kung paano ba gumawa ng sword.